In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're signed in to the correct company file. Since integrations affect how your financial data syncs, it's always a good idea to double check that you're in the right account before making any changes. Once you're inside QuickBooks, look for the integration section. This is where QuickBooks lets you connect third-party tools and services that work alongside your bookkeeping setup. Go ahead and click on Integrations to continue. From there, select Explore Integrations. This will take you into the QuickBooks App Marketplace, where you can browse available connections for payment platforms, payroll tools, reporting apps, and more. In this case, we're looking specifically for Stripe. Use the search bar and type in Stripe. After the results load, find the option called Stripe Connector by QuickBooks and click on it. Be sure to choose that exact integration so you're connecting through the official QuickBooks supported option. On the app page, click Get Integration Now. QuickBooks will begin the setup flow and guide you through the authorization process on screen. At this stage, just follow the prompts carefully, since this is where the two platforms begin establishing the connection. Next, you'll be asked to log into your Stripe account so you can grant QuickBooks permission to access the necessary data. This step is what allows your Stripe activity to sync into QuickBooks Online. Review the permissions shown on the screen, then approve the connection when you're ready. After that, you'll be taken to the settings area for the integration. Here, you'll configure important details, including your Stripe deposit account. This setting tells QuickBooks where Stripe deposits should be recorded, so it's worth choosing the correct account for clean bookkeeping. You'll also choose the date you want to begin syncing past transactions. If you only want to bring in recent activity, select a more recent start date. If you need historical records, choose the appropriate earlier date. Once your settings are in place, select Sync Now to pull your data over. QuickBooks will start importing the information from Stripe based on the options you selected. Depending on how much data you're syncing, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to process. After the sync finishes, you can review the imported data in QuickBooks to make sure everything came through as expected. And that's it. Your Stripe account is now connected to QuickBooks Online.